Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another creative collab look. This month we are doing a, September 14th is National Coloring Day, so we are doing a color book themed look. I pulled my inspiration from my shirt right here because I didn't know what else to do. Anyways, the ladies participating in this month's collab are Candace from Candace Hampton, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, and then Tara from Tara_Beauty. So let's go ahead and get into creating this fun look. Alright, so my face is already prepped and primed, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the eyes and work outwards, just because if I'm doing details in my eyes and then I touch my face, then I'm going to mess up what I did to my face. So we're going to start that way. I am going to use some black eyeliner and create the eye shape. Okay, so to fill in the eye, I think I want to do blue. I think I'm going to use, I'm trying to see which blue I want. Okay, I'm going to stick with this blue right here. This is in the Vacay palette by Jelly Pong Pong. So this is the blue I'm going to use. I'm trying to match it with the shirt a little bit. So now I'm going to take this white paint here, this is Clown White, and I am going to put it all over my face because I'm coloring, right? Okay, so now I'm going to take this pencil eyeliner and go in the bottom. Okay, I'm going to use that same pencil and give myself some black eyebrows. That is that. We are moving on. I need to draw some shapes on my face because coloring book theme. I have a light bulb, so I think I'm going to put a light bulb on this cheek. So let me see how this one is shaped. that's all I'm going to draw because I clearly am not doing a good job. So let's go ahead and get into painting it. So I think I want to start out with the mug here, which clearly I'm not doing great at. I am going to dip into this palette right here for the pink color. This is the Take Me to Paris by Mavi, and I am using this color right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this palette with the blue for the straw. I'm going to go back in with this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this palette for that color Liberty. And I don't want that pink to go to waste, so I think so I want yellow. I'm going to use Violet Voss Fruit Sorbet. And it has this yellow color here, and that is what I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the blue, I think. I feel like I need more something on my face. I think that my shapes turned out all right. Let me see, what else can I pull off of my shirt? I kind of want some of those swirlies. Yeah, I'm gonna try some of these swirlies. I don't know how well that's gonna work on my face, but I'm gonna try it. Let me see here. Put in some more color. Let's see, let's go with yellow. I think I'm gonna do yellow first. Blue again, we're going to go in blue. Now we're going to go in with this dark pink. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with the light pink into all the areas I didn't shade in. to take that same pink color and I'm going to lightly dust the white area. So I think that is good. I think I'm going to use a little bit more top liner just over the lids, and then I'm going to put some mascara on and lashes. So let's take and do the eyeliner. Okay, so for mascara I am using Wonder Beauty Mile High. Okay, so for lashes, I am going with J Lash 3D right here. Okay, we got some lashes. Now we are going to do lips. And I am going to line them with my black eyeliner, and then I'm going to go over top with them with this Hank and Henry color. This is, I can't even say. Anyways, it's a dark brown, but on my skin it looks black, so that's what I'm going to do. So let me go ahead and do that. This is my finished coloring book look. What do you think? Do you think I did a good job? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this look. I feel like it matches my shirt, so that much is achieved. Anyways, that is it of my video. Please don't forget to check out the other ladies' looks. They're always just as wonderful. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.